394 days ago, another war started, not in Ukraine, but in Israel. Almost 400 days. Well, and it's still going on. Welcome back with the regular puzzles. I've already solved one puzzle, so two puzzles are left, the binary and the 4 Stars Sudoku, in today's newspaper of Monday, November the 4th, 2024. And I've not so good news for you, because in today's newspaper I've showed you earlier, there are no extra puzzles, no additional in today's newspaper, so only these three regular puzzles. And the second puzzle I will do is the 4 Star Sudoku number 9531. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has truly 24 printed digits. Yeah, a 4 Stars puzzle has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 4 Stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 Stars? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 1s, we have here 2 2s, we have here 3 3s, we have here 3 4s, 2 5s, 2 6s, 4 7s, well, 2 8s, and 2 9s. So the 7s are a majority. Can I start with the 7? Yes, 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 place level 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the second row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 place level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column. Last column, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. So the only place level 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only place level 1 should be there. 1 1 1. Okay. Well, and now let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no middle column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left with 2 in this big square should be there. 8 8. Then let me see. 1 1. 3 need a 3 there. 3 3. Well, in this column, we need a 3. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. This box can be 3. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. These 3 boxes can be a 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 3 in the third column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left with 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left with 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Yeah, we heard our alarm, but it's always the first Monday of the month. So no panic. Okay. In this big square, we need a 3. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have 3 in this column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 3 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left with a 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 3. Okay. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 2, 8. In this column, we need an 8. Well, these 3 boxes can be an 8 because we have 8 in this big square. So no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this column. Should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4, 5, 9. 4, 5, 9. Okay. How about 2 and 9? 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so come next. Now only place number 2 should be there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, okay. Then let me see. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, on last column, no, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the middle row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. Okay, 5 and then 9. 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 4 goes there. Well, need a 2, need an 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square, 1 of missing numbers an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in this box. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 and 8, we have 8 now in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 1 goes there. Then, let me see, 6, well, the 9. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, third column, no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be down. 9, 9. We have a pair. The 2 and the 9 in this row. The 2 and the 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. So 1 digit left in this row for number 1. 1, 1, okay. Then, let me see. 6, 5, 4. Well, in this big square, we need a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, and a 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. And look, we have a 4 and a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So no 4 and a 5 in this box. 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. 6, 6, okay. And now, need an 8 here. And I need a 9, need a 1 here. Yes, 7, 8, a 6 here. How about a 3? Need a 3 here. I need a 4. 4, 4, 8, and I need a 2. Let me think. 6, 6. So 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above the only place level 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. 6, 6, 6. Need a 5, need a 1, 1, 1, and I need an 8. Come on, come on, come on, come on. This is taking too long. Need a 1 here. No 9, need a 9 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in the last column. No 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be here. 2 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes in there. 1, 3. And 8. 1, 3, and 8. Well, we need an 8 in this column. This box came in 8. We have 8 in the first row. No 8 there. This box came in 8. We have 8 in the third row. No 8 there. So the only place left with 8 in this column should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes and there. Then 3, 6, 2. Well, 3, 6, 2. How about the 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so the third row? The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then need a 2 there. Need a 2 here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, second column. No 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in the first row. No 2 in those 2 boxes. So 2 in this big square. Could be here. Could be there. 2 in the first row. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left with 2 should be here. 2, 2. Okay. I need to wait. 5 and the 4. 2 missing numbers in the third row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 4 is missing and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 9 goes there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left in the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Then 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 and 8. Okay, 5 and the 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 last column, 8 in the column next, so that column the only place left with 8 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes early with 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 2 goes there. 4 and the 5, we have a 4 now in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes with a 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. 14 minutes. Well, that's a quick one for a 4 stars Sudoku. not a 3, not a 2, not a 4, not a 3, not a 2. Should be a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. So let me give this a 1 star, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.